back to my channel, you guys. Today is so exciting because one, I'm recording, I get to see you guys, hello, and two, I have received some wigs that I have been waiting for it now. Y'all, like, it's rare, okay, it's rare that I be like spending my own money for my hair, but there are times that I do, like when I do my crochet videos and when I do wig videos, I tend to spend my own money. So I have been searching for some more synthetic wigs because y'all, like, synthetic is life. If you don't know, girl, you better find out. Synthetic wigs are life, you guys. You can get some really great synthetic wigs that are very realistic, very cheap, very good. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me right now, girl, at D'Angelo Renee. Go ahead. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because you got to join the family, you got to join the clique, you got to join the dolls, okay? I'm all glammed up, you know, bald-headed and glammed. So let's get some hair on his head, y'all. So jumping straight into it, I have purchased from wigtypes.com. I spent my own hard-earned coins, so they better come through, okay? Because I'm going to be mad. This is all so exciting. We have the Sensational wig. Now I got this in the color DRBG, which is dark root burgundy. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off and put this wig on for you guys, and I'll be right back. Now I wanted to show you guys really quickly before I cut the lace off that this one is a little bit different. It doesn't have like all that lace all the way around. It just has this little tiny box of lace. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Okay, straight out the pack, y'all. Straight out the pack. This is what we working with. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's nice and flowy. It's so pretty. This side, darling. I don't know what's going on with this side. Get it together. Why is it always that one side, y'all? It's always that one side that don't want to get some act right. This part don't look like no part. We gotta fix that. Okay, you guys. So what do y'all think? I don't know what's going on with this side, y'all. Like, this side is bomb. Like, y'all see that? That is just beautiful. I don't know what's going on with this. So nice and flowy. A lot of body. That is so pretty. Look at those curls. Like, y'all, this wig is so beautiful. Yes. And you know what? I was gonna straighten this wig, but I'm gonna have to wear it curl for a while because this is pretty. This is like, this is gorgeous. Yo, like, y'all, all I did was cut the lace off, put a little powder in this part, and that's it, and brushed it, you know. And that's it, y'all. This is the truth, y'all. I really like this wig. So let me see how much I paid for this wig. So I paid, this wig is $13.94, you guys. I don't know if that's how much I paid, but right now this wig is $13.94. You cannot beat that, okay? So yeah, girl, check this wig out. And I forgot to mention, you guys, this wig does not come with combs. So no combs. Make sure you guys check out some of my other videos. This was another synthetic wig that I really loved. So I will leave the link down in the description box and on top of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.